In this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on crypto.com. I'll show you how to buy crypto with market orders, with limit orders, and with recurring buys. So let's start with market orders. Market order means let's buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency right now at this specific price. So once you've opened the app, click on buy, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. I will look up Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. Now here, first thing is you need to choose either the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy a specific amount of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, you need to choose the amount. So let's say I want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin. I'll click here, I'll type 0.1, and it will tell me that I'll have to spend $9,867. Or you can also choose the amount of fiat, in this case Euro, USD, GBP you want to put in. So to do so, to change, click on this button, and now you can choose the amount of money you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in $1,000. I'll click, I'll type $1,000, and it will tell me that I'll get 0.01 Bitcoin. Now next is you need to choose how you want to pay for it. So you can pay with either your cash account, so in my case it's the Euro account. For you it might be your USD account, your GBP account, and for this of course you need to have money in your cash account. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, any crypto card, any credit card, any debit card. So once you've chosen the amount of money you want to put in or the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and how you want to pay for it, click on buy, the blue button at the bottom, and once done you'll find your crypto here under accounts. Now I'll show you how to buy crypto with a limit order. Limit order means let's buy crypto at this specific price. So click on the three lines here in the top left corner and click on limit order. Now click on the buy button here in the bottom left. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. I'll type Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. And here first of all you need to choose the price at which you want to buy Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So in this case the price of one Bitcoin is 84,906 euros. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at 80,000. So I'll click here and I'll type 80,000. Next is how much you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin when the price reaches 80,000. I'll type 0.1 and it will tell me that I'll spend 8,000 euros. Now next, once you've done that, is how you want to pay for it. You can pay with your cash account, or you can also pay with credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, whatever you want to use. Keep in mind that the cash account has no fees, just the fees to deposit, and everything else has higher fees. So once you've done, here it says insufficient balance, but if you have money deposited in your account, you'll see buy. So once everything is done, once everything is set up, click on this button and you'll see your order here. Your pending order will be here in open orders. Here if you toggle to order history, you'll see the history of all your previous orders. Now I'll show you how to set up a recurring buy. So buying the cryptocurrency you want to buy every so often. So let's go to the home page again, click on the three lines here in the top left corner and click on recurring buy. Here it will tell you set up periodic crypto purchases, click on set up recurring buy. Here choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So let's say again I want to buy Bitcoin. type Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin, and here you'll need to choose first of all the amount of money you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in $50 every so often. I'll type $50. Next is the frequency. Choose the frequency at which you want to buy. So click on select, and let's say I want to buy $50 of Bitcoin every single day. So I click on daily, and I'll click on confirm. Now next is repeat on. Repeat on is disabled if you choose frequency daily, but if you choose weekly, it will activate, and if you click on it, you can choose to buy every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. Or if you, let's say, choose bi-weekly, repeat on, you can choose the day. Or if you choose monthly, again, if you click on repeat on, you can choose to buy every first day of the month, every last day of the month, or a specific day of the month. So if you choose a specific day, you will also need to choose which day. So select, you can choose first, second, third, fourth, or the day, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. So let's say I want to buy $50 of Bitcoin every single day. So I'll click on daily, and again you'll need to choose how you want to pay. So click here. Here's the first option is credit card. So you'll need to first add a credit card. So click here, and here you can add a credit card and take this. Here it will say that the fee is 3%, which is huge. And then click on confirm. You can also buy with your crypto wallet, so click on crypto wallet, and here you will pay with the USDC in your account. Or the best option is your cash account. So if you click on cash account, it will show you your cash account. If you don't know to deposit on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. This is the best way to buy crypto. So choose cash account, click on confirm, and once everything is done, whatever payment method you want to choose, click on confirm, and crypto.com will automatically start buying your cryptocurrency every so often, depending on the frequency you've just chosen.